link down below if you'd like to go check that out. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. Ring that notification bell so you can be notified anytime I do upload a video. Today is going to be my BoxyCharm unboxing. So I had done BoxyCharm for over probably 2 years now. I've had just the base box for a really long time, and then I did upgrade to the boxyluxe, which is the box for this month that I will be unboxing. If you'd like to see what I got in my BoxyCharm Luxe, then just keep watching. Alright, so I did open it. I did take a peek into the box, tore the box, because I'm a freaking animal. So I did take a peek in here just because I was too curious and I couldn't wait. So, sorry. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. I do love that they have a little information card in here. Just so I have all the details on everything. So as I bring it out, I'll show you what it is, and then I will give you prices and everything, and then at the end I can add up everything to see what the value of my box is this month. So the first and most exciting thing is the PMD, what is this called? So it is the PMD Smart Facial Cleansing Device. I am so stoked to have this. I saw this in a kind of a sneak peek when would be receiving it, so I'm really excited about this. It says it's Sonic Glow technology, the beauty of silicone, customizable for all skin types, anti-aging facial massage. I am so excited for this. It is awesome. So that product right there is $99 in itself. This box was $55. So that right there is the price of box, and I would be happy with just that one product. So the next thing I got, which was a choice item, are these Bombshell Baker. They are metal straws. So they come in this cute little velvet packaging, and then it comes with, let's see, so it comes with 4 golden little metal straws and then a cleaner. So this was a choice item. I got to choose this. I have been wanting some metal straws, and I thought this would be great, and I don't really need any more makeup. Straws are $21 value. Okay, so the next thing I got is a Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Boom Boom Cream and the Coco Cabana Cream Duo. So these are tiny little minis. I don't really like that they sent minis. I understand that they want people to sample them, and this is the big box. I feel like in the boxyluxe you're definitely getting more sample sizes, which I'm not a huge fan of. I know I love both of these creams, so that is exciting. I'll use both of them, but I really would rather just one larger size of one or the other instead of these very, very tiny sizes of both. They do smell fantastic though. Oh, they smell so good. Anyways. So next is a NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment. This is my first NARS lip product ever. So this runs for $25, so that's exciting. I got it in the color Wild Night. When I opened this color, I wasn't super excited about it. References do say that I like nudes, and this is the furthest from a nude. It is a really, really dark, vampy, let's see, purple color. I was kind of bummed to get this because I know they do have 2 or 3 different nude colors as variations, so I was kind of bummed I got this. But I've never swatched a lipstick and instantly had an idea for creative makeup. So I really want to do this lip color with really bronzy, golden, glowy summer skin. I thought that'd be kind of a cool look, so I'm not super mad at it. If I do like the formula, I can always go buy one of the nude colors, so it wasn't that big of a deal. Next, I got the product I'm probably least excited about, Deborah Lippmann nail polish. This is Fire on the Horizon. I can't stop the feeling. I have tons and tons and tons and tons of nail polish. I have a stand over here with close to 200 nail polishes on, but I would never wear red nail polish, and I never wear bubblegum pink, so I'm kind of bummed about this. It is a $19 value, and I'm sure people will be probably excited about it. I do know my preferences, though. I clicked no nail polish, so that kind of sucks, but I'll just pass it on to someone else. That's not a big deal. Next is the Becca Skin Love Glow Glaze Stick. I've never heard of this product, so that's really kind of exciting. This runs for $28. So it is a ultra sheer translucent highlighter with that gives you a glowy glass-like sheen to the skin, and all of that sounds exactly like anything I would want. So I will do a swatch. I don't know if you're going to see it. Let's see. Hold on. So there is a swatch. You can kind of see it. It's translucent, but I think this would be really pretty, so I'm actually really excited to try this. And the next thing is this BoxyCharm Hello Charmers palette. So this is actually a palette that BoxyCharm created themselves, and it has a little sleeve. You pull out the sleeve, and then on it has like screen name, like hashtags, names of some of the people that support them through Instagram and such. So then you open this palette, and this palette, I've seen it a few times, but this palette is just gorgeous. I mean, look at this glitter. That is beautiful. And I'll swatch some of the colors. This palette is way prettier, and that sounds terrible, but way prettier than it looked when they were giving out sneak peeks of the palette. I'm like trying to find places. So I have them all right there. Those are terrible swatches. These look really, really pretty, so I'm super excited to be able to try this eyeshadow palette. I'll do a get ready with me using this palette because it is really, really gorgeous. And that retails for $39. So the price of this box is really, really incredible, actually. Last product in the box is another choice item that I chose. This is the Tartelette Pro Remix palette. So this was one of the choices that we could do. I've never had good luck with Tarte palettes, but all the ones I have are the Rainforest of the Sea, and they're super bland. But I saw this in Sephora a couple weeks before I saw that it was going to be a choice for Boxycharm, and I swatched one of the eyeshadows, and I almost bought it. It is beautiful. So this is the front, which is so cool. It's like the holographic, and it kind of moves as you move it. So super pretty packaging, really heavy and weighted, has a gold back, but it feels nice and heavy, feels expensive. So this retails for $49. So that's really awesome. It has a ginormous mirror, which is really cool. And then the colors are gorgeous. So the color I swatched and wanted to buy right then and there is this middle color right here. I'll try to get a good swatch of it. Let's see. Oh gosh, you cannot see that, but it is super, super metallic and blinding, so it looked really beautiful. So this palette is full of metallics. It has only 3 mattes, which I thought was okay because then I can use it kind of as an accent palette. But there's some really cool tone, sparkly, glittery shadows and some blues, some purples, some greens. So I thought this was kind of a cool palette. I'm actually really excited to use this. Full retail value of this box is $295, and it is $55. So I am so excited about this box. There's 2 things I wasn't super excited about. The Deborah Lippmann nail polish, I really wish the Sol de Janeiro products were bigger. It kind of sucks they're really tiny sample sizes. And then the NARS lipstick, I do wish I had got that in like a nude or more wearable color, but that's all right. I am just really excited about this box. I think it was a good one. So hopefully you enjoyed my unboxing. This is my first unboxing I've done so far, so if you like them, give them a thumbs up, and I will keep doing them. I am not sponsored. I just buy these on my own. I've loved Boxycharm for a really long time. I've gotten them for a really long time. So if you like these type of videos, just give it a thumbs up, and I will keep doing them. Thanks, guys, for watching. I will catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.